In this video I show you how to do the Mercedes emblem. We start with a sketch on the YZ plane, then we draw a vertical line, and by holding down the left mouse button we can add this arc. The length of the line is 5 mm. The distance from the midpoint to the Z-axis is 40, and we need to make sure that our midpoint lies on the Y-axis. Now our sketch is fully constrained and we can finish the sketch. We go on with the revolve feature. We select the sketch as our profile and the Z-axis as our axis. Then I hide our body so it's easier to see the sketch. Now we insert a new plane by clicking at Parallel to Plane Through Point. Then we select the midpoint of our first sketch and the XZ plane. Then we draw a sketch on the plane that we have just created. We draw a triangle. Then we make this midpoint coincident with the midpoint from the first sketch. Then we add a symmetry of these lines on the Z-axis. We add an angle of 110 degrees and this distance of 1 mm. Then we can finish the sketch. We draw another sketch on the XZ plane. We repeat the steps that we have done in the last sketch, but we add some other dimensions. Our angle is now 120 degrees and the distance is 4 mm. Now we can finish the sketch and go on with the loft feature. As our section, we select sketch 2 and sketch 3. We don't need rails in this case. We use the circular pattern to finish the star. We select the loft and the Z-axis as our rotation axis. We need 3 placements at a full 300 degrees. Now we hide all planes and sketches and set the visual style to realistic. Then we add a shiny appearance. That was my video on how to model a Mercedes-Benz emblem. I hope you liked the video. See you soon.